All right, by now hopefully you have an idea of what you want to research for your weather project, and you just need to make a presentation. I'm going to show you a tool that you can use for any presentation style. It's also really nice that it saves it, and you can share it if you're working with a partner. So this is called Adobe Spark, and it's free for students. So when you go to spark.adobe.com, you'll see here you have lots of ideas. You can make an announcement, you can make a poster, you can make a video, you can make a presentation. So you want to just go ahead and sign in, and when you sign in, you're going to choose your Google. You'll put your CV Schools email address in, and you will sign in from there. Mine's already linked, so it's just going to log me right in. When I log in, you'll see there's some navigational tools. The one thing I love about Adobe Spark is it's completely user-friendly. It's very easy to understand what you're looking for and what you want to do. So the left navigation, you have your home button, the projects that you've created, and I create a lot of infographics for the Instagram page for Student Council and some things for the 8Ocean team. So it's really easy, it keeps everything organized. But you want to start with your home, and then you want to pick a project, okay? So a presentation, a slideshow is a video, a photo collage. So let's say you want to make a newspaper like for your tornado project. Well, I would probably pick a photo collage and go from there to make a poster. Presentation, same thing. This is a very elevated version of Google Slides. So Google Slides is kind of played out. So when you're into your presentation, you can just add your title, and then the nice thing over here is that you will click on themes. The themes are already kind of created for you, and they're really sweet. So if we choose Nightcap here, it just kind of adds different titles and subtitles that you will enjoy, and it just looks really nice, okay? The video component, whenever you go to slideshow, even if you have a video and you drop your video into this, you can talk over it, or if you have a Google slide and you want to just talk over this so you don't have to present it in front of a class, you can just hit play and then you can stand back. This is the video portion. If you click skip, you can pick which template you want to do. So I'm going to just say teach a lesson, and it'll import the template for me. From here, you just click and drag. So if you want to add part of a video clip, so if this is one of the days of your blog, you click on the video, you add it. If you want to add some text because of the temperature and the weather, you add text. You add a photo, whatever it may be, you just keep on adding here. So let's say you're working on this as a partnership and you have some of the videos and your other partner has some of your other videos. If you click up here at the button and the person's head, that will enable you to share it or invite somebody to also edit it with you. So you can invite your teacher, or if you have any difficulty, you can invite me and I can come in and help you, or you can invite your partner. And this will allow you both to edit it. Now, one thing to keep in mind, and I don't know if they changed this since last year, you can't edit at the same time as your partner. So if you're sitting next to your partner, you're both trying to work on it, one person can edit at the same at one time. Okay, so that can leave some frustration. So just know one person at a time can edit the document or the slideshow or the video. All right, so why am I showing you this? I'm trying to help you to elevate and get some extra creativity points. There is many options out there. This is just one thing that you can use. It's very easy. It connects very well with our Google platform, and it connects with all the documents that you have. Adobe Spark, check it out. I think you'll like it. I think it's pretty easy to use and user-friendly.